Good morning, students. Let's start our today's class. First of all, we will discuss about our previous homework. You can see on the board here is the solution. And first question is write three sentences about the Indian Ocean. Write three sentences about the Indian Ocean. Three sentences about the Indian Ocean are: the Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. It is the third largest ocean in the world. It is connected to the Mediterranean Sea by the Suez Canal. It provides major sea routes to the world. And our second question is write a short note on the Southern Ocean. Here student, the Southern Ocean, you can say its other name is Antarctic Ocean, lies in the southern hemisphere. It encircles Antarctica and gets water through the merger of the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean into it. And you can see here the last question: match the following, column A and column B. Dear student, here I want to suggest you don't use arrow. You can write side by side right answer, or you can use codes for your answer. Here I have written side by side right answer Africa. The correct is Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert lies in Africa. Atlantic Ocean has S-shaped basin. Atlantic Ocean has S-shaped basin. Australia island continents, because Australia is surrounded by water on all sides, so it's called island continent. Arctic Ocean, it is the smallest ocean of the world. And river Amazon is lies in South America. So you can see here it is all about our previous homework. Let's start our today's class. And today's topic here is the new lesson for you. Chapter 2, Longitudes and Latitudes. I will send this chapter's PDF to you. So, dear student, in this lesson we will discuss about what are latitudes and what are longitudes. And first of all, these lines are located on the earth. So, first of all, in this lesson we will discuss about our planet, the earth, its shape and size. Dear student, it is very contradictory things that earth has earth is flat or spherical. So in olden time, in ancient time, it was believed that earth is flat. If we go after the edge of earth, we will fall. This thought is related with olden time. You can say earlier men thought this, that the earth was flat. But in 16th century, Portuguese sailor, Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan, name is Ferdinand Magellan. Keep in mind, Ferdinand Magellan started his journey. Who started his journey? Ferdinand Magellan. From where? From Seville in Spain. From Seville in Spain. In which year? In 1519. Yes, student. That was the year when Ferdinand Magellan, an explorer, started his journey from Seville in Spain in 1519. But unfortunately, he died in his journey, in his voyage. But voyage was completed by his second in command, name is John Sebastian Elcano in 1522. It was this it was the time when the voyage was completed by his second in command, name is Juan Sebastian Elcano in 1522. So you know 1522 was the year when this voyage was completed by his second in command, because Ferdinand Magellan, who started this voyage, unfortunately he died. But Johann Sebastian Elcano in 1522 completed the mission, later reached Seville and proved the earth was spherical in shape. Yes, student, here you have to pay your attention. The place is the place is Seville in Spain. Seville in Spain, from where they started their voyage, from where they started their journey of the earth, and later reached Seville and proved that the earth was spherical in shape. From it means the point from they started their journey was Spain, Seville in Spain, and the point where their journey end, that place is Seville, that is in Spain. So from where they started, they reached there. It means the earth is in spherical shape. The earth has spherical shape. So it is proof that the earth was spherical in shape. So, but some modern science proved that the earth is shaped like an orange. Dear student, you can see here what was the thinking of earlier time, and what was proved by Magellan Ferdinand and his second in command. And in present time, the modern science tell us about the shape of the earth like an orange. Like an orange, here spherical and here flat. So as time passes, we developed ourselves by innovating the things. So, shape of the earth, the modern science proved that the earth is shaped like an orange, means shape of the earth is round but slightly flattened at the top and the bottom. Dear student, you have saw orange. Modern science tells us about the shape of the earth like as an orange. So I hope you will understand about the shape of the earth. Now we have to see locating position on the earth. Locating position on the earth. Dear student, our earth is so big, it is quite difficult to locate any place on the earth, because earth is so large and it is very difficult to locate the place on the earth. Dear student, when you want to start your journey of a place, there is need of which thing? Map. Map means the place where you want to go is located where? What is the location of that place and how you will go there? So here is the question: locating position of the earth. When we have to go somewhere, we take the help of map. Who help us when we go somewhere? What you are telling? Map. Yes, map. Earth is too big. Because earth is too big, so there is need of map. There is need of map. So problem is here and question is here. One question is here. How can we draw a map on it? Map on it means how can we draw a map on the earth? How can we draw a map of that place? It is a question and it is the problem. But if there is problem on the earth, there is solution. So what is the solution? Mapping is the world. Mapping is the world with the help of grid lines. Mapping the world, we can draw a map of the world with the help of grid lines. So solution is grid lines. With the help of grid lines, we can draw a map of any place that is located in the world. So I am giving you here question: what is grid? I am not going to tell you today. It will be the question for you and you have to find out what are grid lines. So it's all about our today's topic. Now we will see the homework. Define the following. First one is circumnavigation. Second one is globe. Second question is who proved that the earth is spherical in shape and how? Third one is how do we find the location of a place on the earth? So it's all about our today's class and my dear student, I hope you are doing your work. So from today we have started our second lesson and when I will send you PDF, you just read many times and try to understand the lesson. Okay student, we will meet in the next class. Have a nice day.